Okay, so this keeps coming off the back of my chair. And this is the driver's side. And it looks like down here these just kind of fit in like that, but then this top part is all floppy. So I gotta figure out these tabs. It looks like these tabs were supposed to be like this, but they broke off. So not much I can do about that. And then these were supposed to fit into here, and then that's how they connected. But they both broke off, snapped on each side. So now I gotta figure out how I can get it up there without it looking jank. Okay, so what we're gonna try is zip ties now. So I've zip tied, got these long zip ties to the inside of this, and then I've got it connected, oops, that one just came off. I've got it connected to that hole in there, which is where the original bracket was. And so now I'm gonna try to just tighten them and see if I can cut it off in the back and see if that works. So let's see if we can get them tightened here both at the same time. See if we can get it tightened up enough.
Looks pretty tight.
Yeah, it is. And then we'll just cut it off below. So you can't see it. Maybe. My scissors are sharp enough. There's one. Oh, great.
And they all fall out.
And there's two. Done.